So it's currently 11:35 and Pharaoh just went down for his nap. And anytime your child takes their nap an hour early before they do, you know you're succeeded. Way to go to me. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I am in the fitness room because Pharaoh is currently taking his nap. Take his nap time around 12 and 12:30, and he actually went down an extra hour earlier, so I'm excited. So he's in his playpen, and I have like his music that he listens to for nap and bedtime in the background, everything like that, like his quiet like white noise and lullaby music and everything like that. So we're not really have that much to do today. I am wanting to kind of film like 2 videos, but I might just do one for today while I kind of have time while he's asleep. So I'm going to go ahead and like get ready for that video, but I'm filming with you guys without my contacts in, so if I'm looking a little crazy, I'm sorry. But like my glasses, like the glare was like too much in my glasses, so it's like you basically could see like my camera in front of my glasses. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to try to film that video while he's down to sleep. Hopefully he can like stay down while I like finish the whole video, and then maybe a little bit of like edited. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, get ready to and do this video. So this is on Amazon Fire Stick. This is the Baby's First. How you guys say, yeah, Sweet Dreams by Baby First. This is what I play for Pharaoh every time he has his nap and his bedtime, and it has like different like episodes of like just quiet music such as this, lullabies, and different white noises, and he absolutely loves to have this when he is going down for sleep. So I have my coffee. This is I got this cup from Starbucks, but this is the Starbucks mocha coffee, and I have the, is it International Delights, something like that. I'll show you guys when I go back downstairs, but it is their cinnamon creamer. I absolutely love this. Like, I never got into coffee until I became a mom, so it wasn't until like this past summer where I started drinking coffee, and yeah, this is so good. I actually want a sip because you guys just talking about it, I just so good. While Pharaoh is still asleep, I'm about to get prepared to do the video that I'm about to do, and then when Pharaoh wakes up, I'm going to do like a little photo shoot for him in this outfit that I showed you guys in one of the vlogs, but let me get it. This bodysuit here from Target. I kind of want him to do like a nice little photo shoot with that, and I was thinking about doing his birthday photo shoots this weekend, but because his birthday is next Monday, you guys, I cannot believe it, but I might just wait to do that like sometime during the week. So yeah, that is what I plan on doing. Alright guys, so today is a mask day, which is Sundays, and today I'll be using the Boho Charcoal Pore Put-In Intensive Wash Off Treatment. I absolutely love this mask, you guys. You guys know that I absolutely love Boho and their products for skincare, and I've been using this quite frequently, and I love how this makes my skin feels. I like to apply this on before I get into the shower, and as you guys can see right here, I have like just a whole bunch of Boho products and everything like that. So yeah, I'm such a fan of Boho and their products, especially this mask, you guys. So I just finished taking a shower and everything like that. My hair is like currently wet right now. By the way, by eulliar hair, check them guys out. Just want to give them a shout out real quick. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do a video for you guys, a makeup video. This one is going to, I don't know. See, I was gonna wait and keep it a secret, but I'm just gonna tell you guys now. So I was thinking about either doing a makeup video tutorial of without my glasses, so I'm not gonna have my glasses on, I'm not gonna have no contacts, none of that, and then I was gonna do a highlighted and contouring video for you guys, especially for women of color and everything like that. So I think I'll probably do that, the second option, the highlighting contouring, because I've been asked, like, can I do a video specifically for that? So I think I'm gonna do that. And then I have another video in the works for you guys. I think it's gonna probably be funny, super duper duper funny. So yeah, so I still have time. Let's see, it's 12:25. I still have time if Pharaoh's still asleep. Thank you, Jesus. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and film this video for you guys. And so yeah, I was trying in the midst of filming a beauty tutorial for you guys, and when I went to go check on Pharaoh, he was just up. So you say hi? Say hi. Oh. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to either film that video today, or if not, hoping sometime during the week. But yeah, the life of a mom, right, baby? And actually, we're in my mom's office. Like, if you guys are wondering, like, where's all the, like, Wonder Woman stuff is in. And then also, this is, like, a gym, too. So it's a gym / my mom's office. So, yeah. So, I was going to film the video in here. But look who I have with me. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get him some lunch. And see what we're going to do from there, you guys. So Pharaoh is currently playing. You guys, please do not mind my mismatch outfit for today. I just got a shirt on and some pajama pants because I was hoping to film today. But yeah, anytime I film beauty tutorials, you guys, like, I always have like a nice shirt on, and then on the bottom, like, I don't even care. It's pajama pants or some joggers. So yeah, but Pharaoh is currently playing. Pharaoh. Pharaoh. He's like not even paying me no mind. So I'm gonna let Pharaoh, this is currently his playtime right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get him ready for his bath and for the day, and then we're just gonna go back and play and enjoy the rest of our Sunday.
As time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place I never wanted you to leave? I never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory.
So Pharaoh been really liking this show too. If you give a mouse a cookie series on Amazon Prime Fire Stick, and he also loved the book series as well. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. I got you. Look, go get the balls. Yay, mommy's man. Good job. Good job, yay.
I can still remember the first time